While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, highlighted as ETH. With decentralized finance turning into all the rage, calculations and science-supported digital forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain world. Outline of Ethereum. A wonder creation by Vitalik Buterin, the Ethereum blockchain is a high-level venture. It is generally famous among digital currency aficionados, predominantly because of its nodal position in the realm of cryptographic forms of money, the blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this biggest digital money. The whole peculiarity and the central center is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash point of view and use Ether crypto for all commercial center exchanges. The Ethereum convention empowers designers to figure out and chip away at shrewd agreements, naturally carrying out tasks under unambiguous circumstances. Ethereum 2.0, additionally called quietness. ETH 2.0 is the augmentation of the Ethereum system with added highlights to further develop usefulness in the Ethereum blockchain. It had a steady and reliable stage-wise revealing with market tests and preliminaries to see mass reception and worthiness. As a forerunner to additional upgrade and effectiveness, Ethereum 2.0 presented a sharding procedure to decrease the exchange cost and speed up. Including sharding with the existing blend will expand its asset utilization execution amazingly. Furthermore, Ethereum 2.0 started web low-level computing construct in a framework UASM that would before long supplant EVM, Ethereum virtual machine, permitting a decision from different dialects to compose code to run on the blockchain. Ethereum 2.0 and the consolidation are presently at last finished. Best of all, Ethereum is currently more eco-accommodating because of the consolidation. Ethereum specialized in key examination. The whole cryptographic money market experiences flighty cost unpredictability, going with the speculation choice in altcoins really testing. Nonetheless, according to our gauges and specialized examination, the crypto world will just see a flood in exchanging exercises and venture altcoins. ETH digital currency confronted colossal negative tension in the midst of a general market auction, and the cost fell underneath $2,500 by January 2022. In continuation, due to the crypto market slump of May 2022, the cost of Ethereum fell further. Throughout the course of recent weeks, the cost of Ethereum exchanged between the scope of $1,800 and $1,100. As of now, the ETH cost is exchanging around $1,656.13. For what reason is Ethereum going down? One of the principal justifications for why Ethereum is going down is the series of forceful loan fee climbs by the central bank to battle expansion. Financial backers constantly stress over the gamble and vulnerability related with the crypto market, consequently searching for preferable choices over the Ethereum market to put away their cash. In the earlier year, Ethereum's cost brought financial backers enormous returns before the beginning of the new year. In any case, in 2022, there was a huge drop in the cost for every one of the resources. According to long-haul Ethereum cost expectations, ETH is a particularly incredible resource for speculation for dealers who can exploit these short and long-haul cost swings. Wallet financial backers Ethereum cost expectations propose that the ETH token might go down to $194 by long-term N, while digital coin price demonstrates that the symbolic will be at a limit of $6,016.20 in 2025 according to their ETH cost forecast. Simultaneously, the ETH value estimate of exchanging monsters uncovers the coin will have just reached $3,379.40 by 2025 because of the negative cost history, while long gauge uncovers that the ETH cost might be $4,489 by 2026 in view of their Ethereum cost conjecture. ETH value expectation 2023 in light of the specialized examination and cost changes. Ethereum digital money might exchange at a typical cost of $2,050 for 2023. In examination, the base and most extreme costs of ETH are expected to be $1,450 and $2,650. Ethereum value expectation 2024. Taking a gander at the Ethereum value forecast and specialized examination, it very well may be guessed that the greatest worth of ETH might be around $4,100. Simultaneously, the previous exhibition additionally recommends that the base and normal qualities might be $3,300 and $3,700. Ethereum value expectation 2025. According to our Ethereum cost forecast for 2025, the base, normal, and most extreme exchange values might be around $4,300, $5,150, and $6,000 in the crypto market. According to the Ethereum Forecast 2025, we expect numerous organizations and mixes sooner rather than later of the Ethereum organization. Ethereum Value Expectations 2026. Our Ethereum conjecture uncovers that the Ether's cost will exchange between $6,200 to $7,500, where the previous is the least conceivable cost while the last option is the most noteworthy conceivable cost for 2026. Conversely, the typical cost for the year might be $6,850. ETH Coin Value Expectation 2027. In view of the Ethereum gauge, the coin might have a possible high and likely low of $7,600 and $6,400 separately. The typical Ethereum cost for the year 2027 is supposed to be around $7,000. Ethereum Crypto Value Expectation 2028. As per our forecasts, for the year 2028, the base and most extreme costs are supposed to be around $7,800 and $9,300 separately. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging cost of Ethereum might be around $8,550. Ethereum Coin Cost Expectation 2029. Continuously 2029. Ethereum's cost will have seen an incredible ascent, expanding the market capitalization of the coin as well as its interest. In light of our Ethereum cost forecast, the coin's cost might reach as high as $12,200 in the year 2029. While it might exchange around a low of $9,500, the typical worth is supposed to be around $10,850. Ethereum Value Forecast 2030. Our ETH Cost Expectations 2030 showed the coin may be dashing to peak. The token might have a base cost of $12,500 in the long haul, while the Ethereum cost might record a critical high of $15,555 by 2030, according to our Ethereum cost forecast. The Ethereum future looks exceptionally encouraging, with a typical worth of $14,028 in the year 2030 in light of our examination. And with Ethereum showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto experts. We infer that the Ethereum projected development will unquestionably arrive at outrageous highs. According to our ETH cost forecast, in the event that you exchange Ethereum at the ongoing value, you might acquire great returns. In any case, this doesn't comprise speculation exhortation in any structure. Complete your own exploration to diminish the high gamble of losing cash quickly. Will Ethereum go up in 2023? Without a doubt, your interest in ETH makes certain to break all limits according to our Ethereum cost expectation. Notwithstanding, do your own exhaustive examination prior to putting away your cash. Take your exchanging choices and put away cash just in view of your speculation targets to decrease every one of the dangers. How high will Ethereum go? According to our Ethereum cost expectation, no other crypto can guarantee a fantasy with this idealism. Adding ETH to your crypto wallet can end up being a significant speculation. Plan all your venture choices carefully and decisively. According to our Ethereum cost expectation 2030, the coin will have essentially a worth of $14,028.